Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now next topic to be discussed is deterministic and non-deterministic PDAs are nothing but DPDAs and NPDAs. Okay, so as we have already know, the meaning of deterministic means fixed output. Okay, in case of finite automatas or in case of theory of computation. Okay, so deterministic means if we have fixed output, then we can say that transition is deterministic. Okay, and if all the transitions of the finite automata or in case of PDAs, if all the transitions are deterministic, then that PDA or finite automata is deterministic in nature. Okay, so suppose in case of finite automata, if any symbol given to any state, then if we will have single state as output state, then that transition is called as deterministic transition. And if all the transitions of the finite automata are deterministic in nature, then we can say that that finite automata is deterministic finite automata. And in case of non-deterministic finite automata, even if single transition is non-deterministic, means if for a state, if we supply any symbol as input, then if we are getting more than one state as output states, then we can say that that transition is non-deterministic in nature, and the finite automata containing that transition is called as non-deterministic finite automata. Okay, so same is the case here in case of DPDAs and NPDAs. As we have already discussed transition behavior for each operation on stack in case of PDAs. So these are the three transitions representing push, pop and no operation. Okay, so for the situation Q1 comma A comma B means we are in state Q1 and we are supplying A input to state Q1. At that time top of the stack is B, then we are moving to state Q1 and we are pushing A onto stack, so resultant to top will be AB. Okay, so this transition is deterministic in nature because here we know that we have to perform only a single operation, that is nothing but push operation. Okay, same is the case with this transition also. So if we supply A input to state Q1, then at that time top of stack is B, then we have to perform only pop operation because here we have empty. Okay, same is the case with this last no operation. If we supply A input to state Q1 and top of stack is B, then we have to perform just no operation. Okay, means in these three situations we have to perform only one task, that is either push, pop or no operation. Okay, so if we consider the last two transitions, okay, so what will happen here? See here, just if we have A input supplied to state Q1 and current top of the stack is B, then we have to perform two operations, that is either we have to perform push operation or we have to perform pop operations. Means these are non-deterministic operations, or we can say that this transition is non-deterministic because we don't know the exact operations to be performed for this situation. Okay, means either we have to perform this push operation or pop operation. Okay, so or we can consider the second case. Okay, so if we supply A input to state Q1 and you are reading, if your top of stack is B, then we have to perform push operation or maybe we have to perform no operation. Means here we don't know the deterministic operations to be performed on stack. Means for that situation or for this situation of the input symbol and stack, we have to perform either push operation or maybe we have to perform no operation. Okay, so there can be the situation in case of PDAs for a single situation of input symbol and current top of the stack, we have to write more than one operation for the given situation. Means either we have to perform this operation or this operation. So if such a case occurs, then that in case of any transition, then that push down automata is called as non-deterministic push down automata. Okay, even if we have single non-deterministic transition in a given PDA, then that whole PDA is called as non-deterministic PDA. As like in case of NFA, if we have single transition as non-deterministic transition, then the whole finite automata is called as not deterministic finite automata. Hope you guys have understood the meaning of deterministic finite automata and non-deterministic finite automata. If you have any queries, then please comment on it, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.